Hi, this is John. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a Carpenter bee trap that works very well in less than 10 minutes. As you can see, I got some unpleasant visitors who are eating my deck. I'm going to trap them. Here are all the tools and materials I used for this project. First, a 4 inches times 4 inches timber. You need the black oxide drill and drive kit, especially the 1-inch split bit and the half-inch split bit. The third one is a black vinyl cup hook, 10 packs. I used a circular saw to cut the timber, and also you need a cordless drive and drive kit. Last but not least, don't forget the personal protection equipment. Let's get started. You better make this cube 4 inches or even longer because we're going to drill 4 half-inch holes, and those will join the 1-inch hole as the exit to the bottom. Keep that in mind. We're going to use a split bit to drill a 1-inch hole in the middle that is about 2/3 of the length of the cube. Two-thirds of the length is a good estimate because you have to install a hook on the other side. We are going to drill 4 half-inch holes on the 4 surfaces that will join the 1-inch hole in the middle. The angle could be about 30 to 40 or 50 degrees. The reason why the carpenter bees cannot escape when they're trapped is because of the angle of the 4 half-inch holes to the 1-inch hole. There will be no light on the top, so the carpenter bees thought there is no path to escape from the 1-inch hole. Now we need to drill a small hole on the opposite side of 1-inch hole in order to install a cup hook. The last step is to install a 500 ml Polo Spring water bottle, which fits the 1-inch hole very well. Mission completed. This device captured 3 carpenter bees in about 24 hours. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. I'll see you next time.